In this video, we'll discuss what exactly an LLC is, what it does, the benefits of an LLC, and some disadvantages. Let's get started. What is an LLC? Basically, an LLC is a legal entity that you can create for your business to provide limited liability protection and tax advantages. One of the reasons people love using LLCs is because they give the owner personal asset protection similar to a corporation. But compared to a corporation, an LLC doesn't have double taxation at the personal and corporate level, and this means you'll be putting more money in your pockets. Let's go over some benefits of an LLC. There are several ways that an LLC can benefit you and your small business. Just like a corporation, an LLC runs as an independent entity that is separate from you as an individual. This gives you protection over your personal assets like your car or home in case a lawsuit is ever filed against their company. Also, LLCs get the advantage of pass-through taxation. This means that the LLC won't be taxed at the corporate level, but instead, the revenue will only be taxed on the owner's personal tax return. An LLC can also file taxes in multiple different ways, allowing you to choose the way that's best for your business. Another benefit to an LLC is the lack of bureaucracy. LLCs are super simple and a lot easier to run than a corporation. An LLC doesn't have to worry about having officers, shareholders, or a board of directors. There can also be an unlimited number of owners, allowing people to come and go throughout the life of your business. Now that we have discussed the advantages of an LLC, let's look into some of its disadvantages. An LLC isn't the perfect legal entity for everyone. There are a few disadvantages too. Unlike a sole proprietorship, it normally costs money to register your company as an LLC. In order to become an LLC, you have to file forms with the Secretary of State wherever your business is located, and after that, you'll have to pay a fee. State registrations must be renewed yearly, so you might have to pay a fee for that too. What's more, if you hired a registered agent service to help manage your LLC, you'll have to pay annual fees to them. On top of that, taxes are more complicated than a simple sole proprietorship. Although you have liability protection, you do have to file a separate form every year. Finally, it's difficult to take on investments in an LLC. By not being able to issue shares, it makes it more difficult to find investors because a member's ownership can't be quickly sold. Therefore, by summarizing the points all together, we conclude that you can use an LLC to run almost any small business. It will cost money, and there are some disadvantages. But there are several benefits that can help out your small business a lot in the long run. By offering personal asset protection and tax advantages, you can make sure that you and your business are set up for long-term success. It also makes your company look more professional, making customers more willing to use your services. If you found this video informative, please make sure to like our video and subscribe down below. Feel free to comment with any questions you may have or other topics you would like to hear about in future videos. Also, check out more of our content on our website, www.SimplifyLLC.com.